235 pips. 235 during London pre-US session. And man, 235 pips, that pays the bills. So let me show you how I did it.
Have faith in your mind, have faith in your grind, invest in yourself, transform in your time. Have faith in your mind, have faith in your grind, invest in yourself, transform in your time. Trading get paid, trading get paid, trading get paid, trading get paid, oh yeah, trading get paid.
What's going on, guys? Joe here, and it's time to trade and get paid. So we're looking at GJ 30-minute chart, and I want to show you how I sent this trade setup out last night, and well, this morning, and caught this GJ. It's real nice. So we're just doing the same thing that I showed you what my rules are, right? So the first thing we do is we find structure, and we just right there, you look at that, you know, that structure in there with them wicks and all that. You can just drag that straight across. Look at that, beautiful. So we're looking for a rejection again. So we got this one came all the way. This one came to the top. We got a rejection here. We're likely going to test it again and push away or break through. So we don't know which one, so we have to wait and kind of see what's going to happen. Now we have this, what looks somewhat like an inverse head and shoulders here, but when it came up to the neckline, it rejected and came back down. Now, does that mean it's going to go all the way bearish? No, it just means that it's going to retest this area again. So when it came, you know, got this like shoulder, head, shoulder, then it came back again, and now we just got to kind of see what it's going to do. So the next thing that we would do is we would see, you know, like that direction, right? So we would have this right here. That's first thing. So you know you have structure there that if it breaks, it will take off to try to at least get to the previous structure point. And then not only that, but here's another interesting thing here: structure and structure, right? So when you look at it that way, right, and you kind of look at how that structure ends up laying out like that, that's a pretty interesting setup in itself, because now you have not only do you have a breakout, but you have a retest area as well. So let's see how it plays out. I sent this out to the team, and when I did, I gave them their I gave them their buy zone and then their rejection zone at the bottom. So I gave them this trade setup with full and complete notes on how to take the trade. If you want those full, complete trade setups with everything included, I want you to go to tradinggetpaid.com and become a student today. You get access to all my trade setups. Every time I take a trade, I post it in the community so people can trade with me. So make sure you take advantage of that. But I mean, this is pretty simple. And then when you kind of go back here, you have structure in this area right here, right? So essentially what we're looking for is we're looking for something that's going to break this area here or this area here on a retest. Either one is, we're pretty good either way, right? However it works out, we're gonna drop our stop loss back behind here. If you're really conservative, you can drop it back behind here, right? And then we're gonna come like up to this area here for a take profit. Okay, so essentially, yeah, we're looking really good there, and let's see how it played out. So guys, there you see how it broke out right here above the first line. We got our entry. If you were a retest trader, you got it up here. So either way, you were good on risk to reward. Breakout traders got in here, retest traders got in here, and everybody was happy. Our risk, we never even came close, and absolutely destroyed it. Got our 235-ish, 240, and potentially could have got even more had we let it run all the way. But you know, we really ain't greedy like that. So we just came to the structure area, and you know, got at like 235, 240, and man, what a really nice trade setup. Really easy to do. And guys, that's really pretty much it for this one. Structure, right? We followed our rules. We got our structure. We saw our critical level. We had our engulfing close above candle. That's, remember I said you have to have a close above or a pin bar or some kind of candle entry. It confirmed as a trend line break. We had our breakout or retest entry. Our risk reward was definitely in our favor, and we had opportunities to scale out along the way. So this was a great trade setup. Followed all the rules. We did our R, we did our E, did our S, and our T. Rules, entry, stop loss, take profit, and the whole team got to eat. So guys, I hope this one brought you value, seeing how we caught this trade. I hope it shows you kind of the inside the mind of a trader and helps you to identify potential trade setups for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to become a student, go to tradeandgetpaid.com and join today. I'll see you in the next video.